Side fat. If you have it, then trust me, you're not alone. It is the most common problem among people. Even the guys who hit the gym regularly will complain about this stubborn layer of fat which doesn't seem to go away. If the people who exercise regularly also cannot beat this problem, then this tells you there is more to just exercising and controlling your side fat, or commonly referred to as love handles. Surprisingly, these love handles last more than most relationships, but we are not here to talk about that. Call a therapist. So here are some ways you can, yes you can, beat that stubborn side fat. 1. Move. Okay, we just talked about how people who exercise also suffer from a little bit of side fat, but the term little is important there. Chances are if you have a lot of fat, you don't work out enough. I know many of you will hate working out or be too busy to do it, and that's completely fine, but at least try to move. Go for a walk for an hour. Time doesn't matter. Do it in the evening, early morning, or your way to work. Just move. Also, you can try switching to a standing desk. When you are standing, you are burning a lot of calories. You don't have to completely shift your work routine. You can try standing for just 30 minutes in short chunks, or try standing for 2 hours every day, whatever suits you. You can also try to have a more healthy approach by slowly progressing day by day, adding new things like on day 5 you suddenly start taking stairs instead of the elevator. You don't have to do everything on day 1, start slow and slowly progress and do it at your own pace. It is your body and you know it the best. 2. Eating sugar. Johnny, please don't. Sugar is like the Trojan horse. Your body perceives it as a gift or reward, but it isn't. The negative impact of sugar surpasses its benefits, so it's generally advised to cut back on sugar consumption. Excessive sugar intake could be one of the leading reasons why you still can't reduce the side fat. Sugar is filled up with calories and has almost no nutrients at all. Many beverages like soft drinks contain even worse artificial sweeteners. Stop drinking carbonated drinks for a while. You can switch to other healthy options like green tea or fruit juice that won't cause you that harm than these carbonated drinks. 3. What are you eating? Have you been eating enough nuts? Do you know that most of them contain good fat and fiber? Nuts, even though they are rich in calories, have been proven to assist weight loss significantly. They are also been effective in reducing cholesterol and thus lowering the risk of heart diseases. Eating nuts will surely help you in getting your dream waistline. Eating fiber is also beneficial to the body in a lot of ways. There are 2 kinds of fibers, soluble and insoluble fiber. Soluble fiber, which is found in oats, beans, citrus fruits, and carrots, would keep your stomach full for longer and by slowing down digestion. This would reduce your intake of calories significantly. Other than lowering your calorie intake, it would also provide your body with essential nutrients, making you healthier. You can also up the intake of protein. As we all know, protein is the building block of our body. It will also reduce your urge to eat fatty food and help in forming your muscles if you are also working out. 4. Stay hydrated. The global bottled water industry is worth over $250 billion. Why? Because we realize how important it is to stay hydrated. There are sections in malls now dedicated to water only. There is regular water, water with nutrients, water with electrolytes, water with minerals, etc. All of them scream the same thing: stay hydrated. And it turns out this is just not another marketing gimmick. Most of us consume less water than we really should. Drinking water is found to increase the calorie burning rate. It is also advised to drink water before meals to lower your appetite. Other than that, drinking warm water early morning also helps in boosting the body's metabolism. Staying hydrated is not just about drinking water. You can also take other healthy liquids like green tea or even coffee sometimes. Both of these have also been proven to be metabolism boosters and helpful in losing the side fat. 5. Alcohol. You can party without alcohol. Sounds cliche and impossible, which it might be, but you don't have to party always. Sometimes you can just relax, enjoy the moment you're in, and appreciate life in other ways. But if you are planning to lose that side fat, you have to cut down on your alcohol consumption. Alcoholic drinks contain a high amount of sugar and calories, which are directly linked with increasing obesity. Alcohol also increases your appetite and hence calorie intake, which might lead to overeating. Regular alcohol intake might affect your mental health, which can again contribute to gaining weight and stress eating majorly. 6. Don't be stressed. Not just your physical health, your mental health affects your weight too. If you are working for long hours, remember to take breaks and hydrate yourself enough. You should be aiming for a balanced work-life routine. You can try many things to reduce stress. Meditation and yoga have been proved to be very effective, which help you keep your mind calm and also radiate positive energy. This will also help to reduce the toxicity in your body, again a contributor to obesity. 7. Sleep. Again, a very important point that people seem to miss is that you need to take enough sleep. Not getting enough sleep can result in major gains in weight due to a high level of cortisol and increased stress. Although it was believed universally that 7 to 8 hours of sleep is what you should take, but new research has found that sleep you require depends on many factors and there is no right number. Some people function better with a 6-hour sleep, but some, like the great Einstein, needed more than 10 hours of sleep sometimes. You need to figure out what's best for you and stick to that number. In summary, you should monitor your diet and eat a high level of fiber and protein to avoid any sugar, especially artificial sweeteners. You should also aim to work out a little or at least walk daily for an hour or two. Along with physical health, keep a track of your mental health and do things that make you happy. You won't see the changes in a day. At the same time, you don't need to implement all these changes to your lifestyle from day one. Start slow and keep moving step by step. As the great Abraham Lincoln once said, "I am a slow walker, but I never walk backward."